Now, next point is there, next topic is there, how nutrients are replenished in the soil. When the plants are grown, they absorb some nutrients from the soil which are needed for their growth. So, these nutrients are already naturally mixed in the soil. यानी कि they are present in the soil. So whenever the plants are grown, they absorb these nutrients from the soil, due to which the amount of plant nutrients in the soil goes on decreasing. यानी कि day by day the nutrients are going to be decreased from the soil because they are absorbing by the plants to grow. And when the plant are grown in the same field again and again, then the soil become very infertile, यानी कि infertile हो जाती है due to the lack of nutrients. And these main important nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. That's why the plant nutrients need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil and restore its fertility. That's why to improve the fertility of soil and to replenish the minerals back, we have to add minerals. So there are the two ways by which we can replenish these nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which are very important for the plants, replenish in the soil by two ways. First is there, nutrients are replenished in the soil by adding fertilizers and manures. When fertilizers and manures are added to the soil in the fields, then the soil gets enriched with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, etc. But the thing is there, what is the difference between fertilizers and manure? Yes, fertilizers are artificially prepared in the factories with the help of chemical substances and some natural substances. But the manure are the naturally prepared by the animal dungs or the dead and decaying parts of the plants or animals. In that way, there is a difference between fertilizer and the manure. In fact, many times we see the farmers. आपने देखा होगा farmers जो है वो fertilizers को spread करते हैं या manure को spread करते हैं कहाँ पर? Fields में, जहाँ पर वो crops को grow करते हैं. And sometimes the gardeners also used to put the fertilizer or the manure in the potted plants. So in that way, what they provide to the soil or the plant? Essential nutrients for the growth of the plant. So the most common fertilizers which are used to provide plant nutrients in the fields are NPK and urea. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, in which fertilizer it is present. So in short, we say NPK. It is one type of fertilizer, and the another is urea. In urea only we get the nitrogen. So in that way, the crop plants grown in the field require nitrogen in maximum amount to make the proteins. So that's why sometimes we use urea. So now why we use mostly in the lawns and the fields NPK. तो NPK का मतलब है कि N for nitrogen, that is used to for healthy foliage. Healthy foliage का मतलब है कि whatever the part of the food which we are using as a food, that should be grown properly and its growth should be good. And another is there P. P means phosphorus. That is for the strong roots. यानी कि जो भी हमने प्लांट ग्रो कर रहे हैं उसकी रूट्स जो हैं वो अच्छे से स्ट्रांग होंगी, देन ओनली वो प्लांट जो है अच्छे से सॉइल में स्टिक रहेगा और अपना लाइफ को की एक्टिविटीज को प्रॉपर कर सकेगा, यानी कि प्रॉपरली वो जो है वाटर को भी एब्जॉर्ब कर सकता है फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस. एंड नेक्स्ट इज देयर के. के मीन्स पोटेशियम. पोटेशियम का यूज क्या है? हेल्दी ग्रोथ, यानी कि हेल्दी ग्रोथ का मतलब जो प्लांट की ग्रोथ है वो अच्छे से हो और प्रॉपर ग्रोथ हो, उसकी ब्रांचेस प्रॉपर ग्रो करें, उसके एपेक्स जो है प्रॉपर ग्रोथ करें, यानी कि अच्छी ग्रोथ के लिए हम पोटेशियम का यूज करते हैं फॉर द प्लांट्स. दैट मीन्स एनपीके एक फर्टिलाइजर है जिसमें ये तीनों टाइप के न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमें मिलते हैं, इसीलिए मोस्टली फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड गार्डनर्स यूज करते हैं इसको अपने फील्ड्स में. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज देयर अनदर वे इज देयर टू fertile the soil. What is? Nitrogen can be replenished in the soil by growing leguminous crops. Leguminous crops means what type of leguminous crops? The crops which grow on the pulses for us, यानी कि सीड प्लांट जिसमें से हम ग्रेन्स लेते हैं, जो ग्रेन्स हम एज अ पल्स यूज करते हैं, उन्हें हम कहते हैं, उन प्लांट्स को कहते हैं लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स. And these leguminous crops have the roots in which the root nodules are present. इसमें एक nodules present होते हैं, यानी कि गांठें सी होती हैं इनकी roots में. And in these nodules, what is present? There is a certain type of bacteria which is called a rhizobium bacteria. What it does? हमने पढ़ा था पीछे भी symbiotic relationship में कि ये जो है क्या करता है, एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को absorb करता है and then it gives to plants for preparing the protein. So yes, तो यहाँ वहां पर हमने उसको एज अ symbiotic relationship में स्टडी किया था. Now over here what is here कि जो है किस तरीके से जो है सॉइल में नाइट्रोजन अगेन रिप्लेनिश होता है, यानी कि हाउ कि जो राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया है ये नाइट्रोजन को, इसने एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को एब्जॉर्ब किया एंड देन सम पार्ट ऑफ द नाइट्रोजन इट absorb and give to the plant for the protein, and some part of the nitrogen is left in the soil and which is mixed with the water and remain in the present in the soil. So in that way the leguminous plants for their growth use some part of the atmospheric nitrogen and some part of they remain in the soil. So the farmers do not need to put nitrogen fertilizers in the field in which leguminous crops have been grown earlier. So this saves a lot of money. So before any other crop to grow, we used to grow in the field first leguminous crops.